Hey guys, Scott Isaacson, Marine Max Sail and Ski out here in Lakeway. Right now we're on a 2019 Harris 210 cruiser, center walk-through, dual helm. One of the great things that Harris does is utilize all the space of the boat. So you've got the center walk-through, and then you have these loungers. So basically the whole entire fencing has seating. So you can have this either, next to someone, next to two adults, or you have it where you have the nice lounging position, spotter, recessed cup holders here, and even a spot to put your phone and wallet. Everything's going to be hinged on these boats and guttered. Just to show how deep this is, we put a nice big fender in there. You have cup holders everywhere, and then also storage everywhere. So this lifts up, and this one has the garbage in there. It has this nice gray Seagrass flooring, nice on the feet, easy to keep clean. We have a table that's a part of this boat, and we like to give the customer the option whether they want it, say they want it here or up in the front loungers. It's up to them. It's their boat. They can choose. Utilizing all the space, we have our changing area, Magic Trick. Be here all week. And nicely stores. And then these nice big loungers up front. So really, for a 21-foot pontoon boat, you get a ton of room. Bring your buddies out, bring your family and another family out. You just have a lot of space throughout the boat. I'm thinking 10 adults comfortably, and then you get to the captain's. So the dual helm, you have your Fishfinder here, you have your Fusion stereo, MP3 ready, very easy to read gauges. This boat is equipped with a 115 horsepower motor, and so you can scoot across the lake, you can pull a tube, pull a skier, pull a wakeboarder, and also has a very nice tow point as well. So if we take a look back, here, it's high enough where you can teach someone how to ski. It's pulling them up out of the water, wakeboard as well. And then also, one thing that we may not always see when we're looking at a boat, but the ladders for Harris are just awesome. Where you have this, the two top step. As you're getting on, you'll notice the construction of Harris is really second to none, and you can see it really, for one, on the ladder. So as you get up, this nice two-step, great for kids, great for adults, easy to get in and out of the boat. If it's just you and your spouse, you have two spots here, cruising up and down the lake, and then you bring out a couple of families. Easily going to fit here on this 2019 210 cruiser, also equipped with a double Bimini, so you have tons of shade. Hot days, feels like about 10 to 15 degree difference when you have those up. At night, close them up, night under the stars, and then if you have the sun seekers, put them up front, open the back one, and then everyone's got a spot. Thanks for watching. Scott Isaacson, Marine Max Sail and Ski out here in Lakeway. Thanks for watching this video. Again, my name is Scott Isaacson with Marine Max Sail and Ski out here in Lakeway. We also have two other locations, one in Austin off Highway 183 and one down in San Antonio. If you're interested in this boat or any other boats, feel free to give me a call at 219-2712. Again, that's 512-219-2712. Thanks again.